Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we will study about the scanning devices. What is the role of scanning devices in our daily life or in computer science? Scanning devices that are used to scan or read from the paper, or it may read from the product, or it may read from checkbooks or from anything, and also reading from the magnetic strip cards. And first of all, we read about the barcode reader. Barcode reader is a scanning device that is used to read the zebra strips, marks, or the vertical lines. And these vertical lines are printed on the product by its manufacturer. These lines are also known as universal product code. I think you may have seen on the product in some way. Product have the vertical lines of varying thickness that represent the particular information about that product. Barcode reader read these lines by a photoelectric scanner and translate barcode symbols into digital code and send it to the computer system for further processing. And the computer system may add this code into it may be in bills, or it may be used for further inventory purpose, or simply may send to computer system for the further necessary processing. And second device is mark and character sensing devices. Mark and the character sensing devices are those devices that are used to read the marks and characters. Characters are the symbols, marks are also the circular symbols. The first device is MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. This is a device that is used to read the text from the check that is written by using magnetized ink particles. MICR is also a print scanning device that is used to read the written patterns with the help of magnetized ink by using MICR and produce the digitized signal and send it to computer system for the further necessary operation or processing. And OMR optical mark sensing devices. Optical mark sensing devices uses the light beam for reading the marks from the paper, or it may read from sheets. OMR devices are used inside examination system for reading the MCQs paper. OMR device uses light beam for reading marks from the computer system. It converts it into digital form and then send it to computer system for the further processing. Our next device is OCR, optical character recognition. This device also uses the light beam for reading data from a product, or it may from something else, like mostly from the product. The characters are written on the product in some special formats. Maybe you have seen on some product price tags are also pasted on them, and from these price tags OCR is used to read data. It uses light beam for reading. OMR and OCR, both these two devices uses the light beam for reading. OMR is used for reading marks and OCR is used for reading character. When it read the characters from the price tags and then it convert to digitized form, digitized signal, and then send it to computer system for the further processing. It may be added in the bill, or mostly. Our next device is magnetic strip card, a card that have a magnetic strip, and this magnetic strip have the personal information encoded on the back of it. They are used for the identification purpose while when you are moving on the highways or stores or in the public places. The magnetic strip cards are used to store the personal information that store magnetically in magnetic strip. Our next device is scanning device is smart card. Smart card is a microprocessor chip card, look like a SIM, or it may be ATM or the credit card. Smart card is read by a smart card reading device. It contains a microprocessor chip that store data. It store data for the transaction, or it may store information, or it may store transactional information. Your ATM card or SIM card is a smart cards. It have a small memory that store data, and also have a microprocessor chip and a memory where data can be stored. Data may be personal information of the person, or it may be its account, or it may be a mobile cellular SIM or GSM contact SIM.